Let's do it! Heavy has tiny bird head. Never speak of this.
Today ain't your day, pancakes.
What the fuck?
Little too much caber tossing pie down your own throat, eh, chubby?
I'm going to saw through your bones.
Run, cowards! Tweet, tweet, tweet!
I'm going to lick you.
What the fuck?
I am coming, cowards, to lay eggs in your mouth.
I'm gonna stick me thumbs in your eyes and hang on till you're dead.
Not so tough now, are you?
You have 30 seconds to live.
Bird Heavy lives! Hide your seeds and millet, cowards! As promised, Heavy will now lay egg in your mouth.
Oh my God, it's beautiful. Now that is just dynamite.